Here, solve the following game by Maximin and Minimax principle. Player A and player B. So they have given a matrix here: rupee 1, rupee 5, rupee 10, rupee 1, rupee 5, rupee 10. And this game, this matrix belongs to player A here. A's strategy, we can say. Player A's strategy, and payoff are 1, 5, 1, 5. So this much amount A will get here, and the figures in negative: -1, -5, -10, -10. This much amount he has to pay to player B if he lose the game. If he wins, he may get any of these amount. Okay, now, so Maximin and Minimax principle is asked. So first, Maximin. What is Maximin? Maximin, maximum of row minimum. Maximum of row minimum. That means we have to find first row minimums in each row. How many rows are there here? There are 3 rows. 1, rupee 1, rupee 5, rupee 10. So in the first row, which one is minimum here? 1, 5 and -1. Among these 3, minimum is -1. And next, in second row, 1, 5, -5. So again, minimum among these 3 is -5. And next, -10, -10, +10. So minimum amount here is -10. So row minimums. So we have to find what now? Maximin. So Maximin means maximum of row minimums. Row minimums are here. So among these 3, which one is maximum? So that is maximum among these is -1, -5, -10. Maximum is -1. This is what? Maximin. Okay. Now next we have to identify what? Minimax. What is minimax? This is minimum of column maximum. That means from each column we have to get maximum value first. So first column, +1, +1, -10. So among these, maximum value is +1. Second column, maximum value is +5, +5, -10. So 5 is the maximum value. And here, -1, -5, +10. So maximum value is +10. Now among these 3 maximum, column maximums, we have to get what? Minimum. So 1, 5, 10. Among these all 3 values, minimum values +1. So what is this? This is minimax. Now just check. Maximin and minimax are both the same here. Are they coincide? Did they come from the same position? No. So here maximin is -1, and this came from first row, third column. And here minimax is +1, and it came from first row, first column, or second row, first column. From 2 places we got minimax, and from this place position we got maximin. So minimax and maximin are not coinciding here. Therefore, the given problem doesn't have saddle point. That means here the player has mixed strategy. So maximin and minimax. Maximin and minimax are not coinciding. Therefore, there does not exist saddle point. That means that is the player has mixed strategy. The player has mixed strategy. Another way to identify maximin and minimax and locating saddle point directly. Okay, so here what we do. So instead of identifying and writing minimum of rows, row minimum value here, just mark them with a circle. So circle the row minimum. Circle the row minimum and put a box, the column maximum. Instead of writing here, just mark them with these. So row minimum. In this row, minimum value is -1. Just circle it. In second row, the minimum value is -5. Circle it. And in the third row, minimum value, we have two values, -10 and -10. So row minimums are marked with circles. Now come to the columns. So what they said here, box the column maximum. So first column, +1, +1, -10. So +1, two maximum values we have, mark them with the box. In second column, maximum value is 5, mark it with the box. And finally, in the third column, maximum value is 10, mark with circle. If on any payoff we have both circle and box, that is the saddle point. So is there any payoff here which has both circle and box? No. So because this game doesn't have saddle point, so we are getting on each payoff either circle or box. If you have a saddle point, we get on any payoff or where there is a saddle point, at that payoff we get both a circle and box. Now solve the following game by maximum and minimax principle. So maximum of the row minimum. So first we have to select what? Row minimums. So we circle the row minimums. So first row minimum, 2, -1 and 3. So row minimum here is -1, circle it. Second, 2, -1, 5. Again the row minimum is -1, -1, 0, 0. Now the row minimum -1, 0, 0, -1 itself, and 2, 0, 4. So the minimum value is 0. Now next minimax. So minimax means minimum of column maximums. So we have to find column maximum now first. So first column maximum, 2, 2, -1, 2. So column maximum are 2 here. So they are 3 in numbers here. So box them. Now next second column maximum is -1, -1, 0, 0. So maximum is 0. So mark it with the box. So we have two zeros. Both are marked with the box here. And the last third column, 3, 5, 0, 4. So maximum is 5. Okay. So is there any point which is marked with both the circle and box here? A4 and B2. So P of A4 and B2 is marked with both a circle and box. So there exists a saddle point. Saddle point at where saddle point exists? At the position A4 B2, that is fourth row, second column, right? At A4 comma B2, and the value of the game is, so V is equal to, so payoff at A4 B2 is 0 here, so value of the game V is equal to 0. As the value of the game is 0, the game is said to be fair. So as value of the game is 0, the game is fair. Okay, and now last we have to tell strategies for player A and player B. So the best strategy for player A is, so where in a row, which row there is a saddle point? In the fourth row, that is A4. So the best strategy for player A is A4, and the best strategy for player B is, so in which column saddle point is there? In second column, that is B2 column. So best strategy for player B is B2. So these are the 5 things which may be asked in multiple choice question: saddle point position, value of the game, whether game is fair or not fair, and best strategy for player A and best strategy for player B.